If you tutor, online or in person, we built 2 tools just for you. Both live on Etsy at NicheToolkits. Both open in your browser. No install, no subscription. Your data stays on your machine. Let's walk through them. First, the online K-12 Tutoring Business-in-a-Box. $147. The complete operating system for a profitable private tutoring practice. A 23-page operations playbook anchors the bundle. Real cost of doing business math. Tier pricing logic for general academic, test prep, and homework help. The packaging script tutors freeze on. 7 editable parent and student forms cover every touchpoint. Services agreement. Parent intake. Student goals. Lesson plan. Progress report. Invoice. Disengagement letter. A working 7-sheet pricing calculator. 120 plus live formulas. Basic, standard, and premium tier math. Test prep package pricing. Cancellation and reschedule policy logic. A complete marketing starter. 30 social captions. 10 parent email templates. A Google Business Profile setup checklist. The review request sequence that actually converts. Hiring and training SOPs. Job descriptions for subject tutors and test prep coaches. The interview question bank. A practical teach-back exercise. 30-day onboarding. Local SEO quick start. 5 city page templates. 5 blog post outlines. For ready-to-paste JSON LD schemas for tutor services. If you finished a teacher certification, took your first paying client, and now need the operating system, this is it. Second, the tutor rate and schedule planner. $47. 1 spreadsheet. 8 integrated sheets. Your daily tutor cockpit. The dashboard shows hours billed this month, revenue, active students, and your packaging mix at a glance. The Students tab tracks contact info, parent details, subject, current rate, package balance, and notes for every student on your roster. The Schedule tab is where the spreadsheet earns its price. One view of every tutoring session this week, with student, subject, time, and status. Hours auto total per day and per week. The Invoice Builder generates printable parent invoices from scheduled sessions, with custom tax handling and a paid status toggle. The Pricing Calculator handles per session, monthly retainer, and test prep package math. Tier math for general academic, test prep, and group sessions. A reports sheet rolls up monthly revenue, top students, no-show rate, and cancellation rate. Year-over-year revenue comparison. Tax season ready. Built in Excel. Opens in Google Sheets. Works offline. Multi-tutor by default. 2 tools for tutors. The Business-in-a-Box is the launch system you read once and run forever. The rate planner is the spreadsheet you live in every day. $194 for both. Or pick one and grow into the other. All at NicheToolkits on Etsy. Browser-based. One-time payment. Yours forever. Find us. Search NicheToolkits.